In this video we look at can snoring cause hearing loss. Snoring is not only upsetting for a person sharing a bedroom with you, it can also be dangerous for your health. A number of studies, including one published in the Turkish journal KBB Forum, have found that snoring can actually drastically harm one of your senses. We know that noise-induced hearing loss can result from loud music through earphones or in clubs, and from prolonged exposure to machinery in factories. But now, researchers claim snoring can also trigger hearing loss. Researchers recruited 72 subjects, all of whom had been diagnosed with sleep apnea. The loudness of sound is measured in decibels, dB. The scientists divided their subjects by the loudness of their snoring, above and below 65 decibels. They then tested these people's hearing, on different frequencies of tones and on speech recognition. Loud snorers had much worse hearing than light snorers. This was true for sounds in both their ears, for pure tones at various frequencies, and for speech recognition. They were especially bad at hearing high-frequency sounds at 4000 and 8000 Hz, which had to be turned up very high before they could hear them. Unless it is caused by one big explosion, noise-induced hearing loss is normally gradual, and most people who suffer from it cannot detect its progress. Because snoring continues for approximately 8 hours a day, or night, and it is a sound that is so close to you, it is no surprise that 65 decibels is enough to gradually affect your hearing. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell for notifications of future content.